The composition and advantages of the vertical real die pellet machine are composed of observation board, material preparation room, discharge board, stainless steel dust cover, motor, and reducer. Its advantages are: number 1, vertical feeding is easy to dissipate heat. Number 2, easy to fix, stable operation. Number 3, the pressure will reduce and the material is evenly distributed. Number 4, 2 layers of mold, cost reduction and efficiency increase. Number 5, the discharge device with independent frequency. Conversion ensures the molding rate of particles.